Hi! I'm so excited today because I bought DJI Osmo Pocket 3 from Costco. Just to tell you that I already bought from Amazon but I returned it because I found a better price, a lower price in Costco. Actually, I bought in Amazon just the Pocket 3 itself and it's around $519. And there is no battery handle, there is no SD card, there is no mini tripod. But here in Costco, there is already a battery handle. The battery handle, if you buy it alone, is around $69. But that's all I need. The battery handle, the Pocket 3, and just the mini tripod. And also the SD card. That's what I need. So it depends on what you need. Then you can buy the combo in Amazon or you just buy this in Costco. So we have to unbox this. Let's see what's inside, but it's really beautiful. Okay, let's go and unbox this. First is the battery handle. This is around $69 in Amazon. And here's the SD card. Yeah, and there's another one. So this is the mini tripod. Yeah, and there's also the battery handle. This one, so you can put it here. There you go. It locks already. So this is it. Turn it on. Alright, and then let's see the cover. Yeah, and then you can put the tripod here, like that. And then there is also included the cord for charging, the strap for the hand. Yeah, see. And then another one, it includes also the adapter. So in here, yeah, this one, you can charge it here in this hole. And then you can put the tripod here. Yeah. There you go. So like that. Tripod. And turn it on. Yes. So it's very nice. Alright, let's try this camera. Oh, by the way, I have this bag for DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So you can put your Pocket 3 here, and then you can put your tripod, battery handle. You can put it here. So if you have a mic, there is also a space here. This is good for me. See? I bought it in Amazon. I see it's very nice for me. It's really convenient for me, the carrying bag. You can put also your accessories here. There is a pocket here for the, if you have ND filters, your pocket here. This is very convenient. I like it. Here's a handle. There's also, you can put it in your shoulder. So yeah,